Hey everyone, welcome back to What a Hairstyle. Today we're talking about short hairstyles with bangs. Bangs are super cool and can make your look fresh and fun. Short hair is easy to style and perfect for anyone who loves a quick routine. In this video, we'll show you 8 awesome short hairstyles with bangs that you can try. Get ready to find your new favorite look. First up is the classic pixie cut with side-swept bangs. This style is short on the sides and back, with a bit more length on top. The bangs sweep to one side, giving a soft, playful vibe. It's great for round or oval faces. You can style it with a little gel for a sleek look or keep it messy for fun. This hairstyle is low maintenance and super trendy. Next, let's talk about the bob with full bangs. This is a chin-length cut with straight-across bangs that cover your forehead. It looks bold and stylish, especially for square or heart-shaped faces. You can blow-dry it smooth or add waves for texture. Use a light hairspray to keep the bangs in place. This look is perfect if you want something chic and easy to manage every day. Another great option is the textured crop with wispy bangs. This hairstyle has short, choppy layers all over, with thin, wispy bangs that frame your face. It's awesome for adding volume and works well with fine hair. Style it with some mousse for a tousled, carefree look. This cut suits most face shapes and is perfect for a fun, edgy vibe. Try it out. Now let's check out the asymmetrical bob with curtain bangs. This bob is longer on one side and shorter on the other, with bangs that part in the middle. It's super modern and flatters long or oval faces. You can straighten it for a sleek style or curl it for bounce. A little shine spray makes it pop. This hairstyle is great for standing out. Here's a fun one. The shaggy pixie with micro bangs. This cut has lots of layers for a messy rock star look, with tiny bangs that sit high on your forehead. It's bold and works best for oval or heart-shaped faces. Use a texturizing spray to keep it funky. This style is perfect if you love experimenting and want a hairstyle that's totally unique and cool. Thanks for watching What a Hairstyle. Which look is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair tips. See you next time.